Hey everybody, I'm Jenny Harkelrode, the Executive Managing Director of eWomen Network San Diego, and I'm so excited because I'm about to introduce you to Jennifer Deep Stratton. She has 20 years of sales success, relationship coaching, and communication studies. She's sold over $14 million in products and services in one-on-one consultations. She's created her own sales blueprint and grew her own company with it. And now she trains clients to do the same. She even retired her husband from his career. He's now working with her. She teaches clients how to make clear, compelling, high-end offers that sell. Welcome, Jennifer. We're so happy you're coming to San Diego.
Thank you, Jenny. I am super, super, super excited to be with you in February. If you haven't gotten your ticket for your next accelerated networking event, make sure you do it. I know this is going to be awesome. I actually started in San Diego. That was my home chapter long, long ago. Now I'm in Idaho. I'm flying into San Diego to talk to you. We have since Jenny read my bio, I super appreciate that, Jenny. That was in my corporate life. What I'm going to bring to you in San Diego at our next meeting is how to make a clear, compelling offer that sells. And I'm going to share with you some of the things that are working right now in today's market. I will share with you that just since COVID, we've helped our clients sell over $17 million of high-end offers.
Wow.
That's not including our business revenue. That's just what we've done for clients. And there's definitely a formula to how do you create and make a high-end offer in such a way that people actually buy it on the spot as opposed to I'll call you later. So if you want to have more sales now, not later, make sure you book your ticket to come to the lunch now. Okay?
Later.
Not later, right? Because this is such a pivotal piece. I've had such a great time working with people. Like we worked with Sandra at the corporate level of eWomen for 5 years on offers and sales. And our business has really exploded. So I'm like, it's like coming full circle, coming home to San Diego. And I'm just thrilled to get to be with you and with you, Jenny, and the awesome people in San Diego, who I know you are the most awesome in the whole country.
Thank you. We love that. And we're so excited because we have solutions for people and we want them to buy the solution so we can help them solve their problem. And if they're not saying yes, their problem isn't getting solved. We want them to say yes. We don't want them to say, let us think about it, let us pray on it, let us talk to our husband. We need to know what to say, and you've got the answers. So we're so excited because we're all looking to grow our business. And so you've got our solution. So make sure you get your ticket to see Jennifer Deep Stratton in San Diego on February 7th. We can't wait to have you. We're so glad you're flying down for us. Thank you so much. We can't wait.
See you there.
All right. Goodbye.